Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create these dice on NX. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we need to use extrude. Select XY plane. Then we create a rectangle. Constraint equal 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Okay, finish. millimeter distance. Okay. Next, we need edge blend 2 millimeter. Okay. So next we need a sketch arc on the 3 plane. 1, 2, 3. Create an arc. Oh, sorry. Yes, finish. Next, finish. We need to create 3 arcs from the different place. Okay, we create 1, 2, 3 arc. Next, we need to create the face as a reference. So we need to use surface and offset surface. It's like these 3 surfaces. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we need to hide the body. Then use extend shape. Nature. We need this like extend. Add a new shape. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 millimeter. Okay. So we get 3 reference surface. Next we need copy the 3 face. So offset surface 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hide. Use same this. Okay. Reversed. Select this face and this curve. Okay. Next, we need use create this surface. So surface, we need to select a fill surface and tangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, we need to hide the arc. Then fill surface 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Water face G1 tangent. Okay. Hide the 3 reference surface. Next, we need U mirror geometry. Select 3-phase mirror geometry. Mirror geometry, and then face. Okay, nice. Sweet. Or the face. Okay, we finished the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.